Assalamualaikum. Greetings, Mr. Songki. My name is Hauzan Ravirsano. As a delegate from Group 1, I'm gonna tell you about the demonstration of our group project. Our group is making a visitor counter. So, let's get into the demonstration section. Okay, this is the circuit of our group project. As you may see, it consists of two ultrasonic sensors. The first one, in the left, when the people pass through it will count it as an in variable. And the right one, when the people go past through it will count it as an out variable. Another component that consists in this circuit is a potentiometer with a 50k ohm resistance power, a resistor with 220 ohm resistance power, and also an LCD that will display amount of people go past through it. Okay, let's do the simulation. As you may see, when the first program initiated, it will show the results of our group, and we'll head to the next amount total of people that when pass through the sensor. Okay, as I mentioned earlier, the left sensor, it will count people as an in variable, and the right one will count the people as an out variable. Let's see. So, when people pass through the left sensor, it will count increasingly by 1. Yes, see? This number is increasing, and when people pass through the right sensor, or you say get out from the room, it will decrease the number in and increase the number of out. So people that stay in this room is 3, and the total visitor in the room is 4. This is the coding of the project. The coding is really depends on the design. Why I said it? Because the ultrasonic sensor will only count people as input when it has a certain distance. In this case, when people pass through it with a 35 cm distance, it will count it as input. In this design, it has a door with 19 cm wide, and the sensor is right here. So when people pass through the sensor in the 35 cm distance, it will count it as input.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We're from 6th group. The group consists of 3 persons. First, me, Muhammad Faraz Arhab, as a circuit designer. Second, Gilang Ramadan as an editor or movie maker. And third, Widan Hanif as a 3D designer. Our project is make an automatic trash bin. First of all, I would like to explain how automatic trash bin works. Okay, here we go. Our automatic trash bin can open itself if there is an object approaching it, so we can throw away the trash without touching the trash bin. Here's the picture from our project when the trash bin open. We'll then make this 3D design with SolidWorks application. After we throw away that trash and we leave the trash bin will close itself. And here is the picture from our project when the trash bin closed. And if the trash inside the trash bin is full, the trash bin can make a sound. Why did it happen?
And now I'll explain you guys about the electric system of our project. These are some of the components needed in our project. And here's the code to run it. Alright, the way it works is like this. First, if the sensor mounted on the front of the bin detects an object at a distance of 50 centimeters, the servo will rotate so the trash can opens. Second, if the sensor installed inside the bin detects an object at a distance of 5 centimeters, the buzzer will beep, which indicates the trash can is full.
motion detected on PIR, it makes all of input and output has real value. Second, you are thinking how motion of your eyelid detected on PIR. The LED will be turned on for 3 seconds. Third, the connect. Flow motion of your eyelid detected on PIR. The LED and the buzzer will be turned on for 8 seconds and wait.
We are inspired from Spider-Man film. Firstly, we make an ordinary glasses. Then, we set the sensor on near eye to detect eyelid property but we still can look clearly. Last, we put the buzzer near ear and LED near eye to wake me up when sleepy and take a nap.
I'm Adrianus.
I am Deandra.
And I am David.
In this video, we will explain an Arduino bus project that comes Safety Street Cruiser. This is the device we are going to use. There are LDR sensor, PIR sensor, traffic lamp, demo lamp, and buzzer. The basic component that we use are Arduino Uno, jumper cables, resistor, and also PIR sensor, LDR sensor, LED lamp, and buzzer. You can see that on the left side are inputs that consist of PIR sensor, which is used to detect people, and the LDR sensor, which is used to detect the intensity of light to determine day or night. And on the right side are outputs to provide driver awareness. For more, let's check it out! This is the circuit. This is the truth table of our project. The first possibility is when there are no people at night. Only traffic lamp that will on. The traffic lamp will blinking all night to raise driver awareness. The second possibility is when there are people at night. The demo lamp will on directly to the drivers to increase an extra awareness. The traffic lamp will on without blinking. The buzzer will produce a sound. When no one around, it will return to the first possibility. The third possibility is when there are no people at daylight. When there are no people during the daytime, the traffic lamp, timer lamp, and buzzer will all off. The fourth possibility is when there are people at daylight. The traffic lamp and buzzer will on. The drummer never needed during the daytime. When no one around, it will return to the third possibility. This is the code that we use to program our project. You can press the pause button if you want to see it longer. Thank you for watching!